Using the Data Navigator, you can create sections through surfaces or solids for the evaluation. Select a line or the edge points of the section, and define the projection direction. Finally, you decide how the section should be displayed and on which surfaces. Use the Result Diagram dialog box to display all results for the selected section and print them into the printout report. Generating sections through solids takes place in the same way. Define if the results are displayed at the section line, the boundary surfaces, or directly at the section area. Finally, define the section plane and confirm your input.